DS Diving Service. This is Dane here on Cocnord and our drive. We're going to inspect some pilings. You can see there's some piling jackets, and then there's some new pilings that are installed. Here's an example of an old piling that's just withering away to nothing. This piling, somebody came in and put in a fresh piling on that side. Looks like they put in a fresh piling here, but it's not through bolted to that piling. So this new piling is a solid piling. This piling has boring damage. You can see without even going underwater that there's damage to this piling. So you see, hammer on a good piling, hammer on a dead piling. So when they put this piling in, it looks like they did one over there too. I'm pretty sure they were supposed to through bolt this piling to that piling, which did not happen. Yeah, this is kind of a nightmare scenario of a dock, to be honest with you. Let me keep looking at pilings and I'll point out other things I've seen.